Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 3rd of October. Ooh, buddy, this is good stuff. I mean, just doesn't get any better. What can you say? Let's go to some of the Skycam shots, and I think the pictures do a better job of telling the story. That's the view coming from Gadsden. Again today, a cloudless sky. A little warmer today, but really not by much. That's a good place to be on an October day. That's view coming from Mount Cheehaw. Always fun to watch those colors change up there in coming weeks. The best time to get a good chalet or a cabin up there later this month, early November. Doesn't get any better as the leaves are starting to change and will be soon. And from Fayette, a blue sky above the Fayette County Courthouse. Big upper low beginning to lift out. It's centered over Chesapeake Bay. And again, it's cloudy and cold and unsettled underneath that. But around here, we are in severe clear, and the numbers are looking good. Those are actually 1 o'clock observations. Everybody in the 70s. Numbers range from 71 to 75. And we'll see that slow warm up each day for the rest of this week. Convective outlook, obviously no severe weather problems around here anytime soon. Some general storms are possible out west. And rain, forget about it. No rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 a.m. All of the active weather is up in the northeast with the upper low and way out west. And the tropics, pretty quiet. Ophelia's on the way out. It's becoming subtropical in the North Atlantic, and Philippe is hanging on by a thread northeast of the Leeward Islands. Top wind 65 miles an hour, but it's in very hostile conditions out there. And it's going to whip a U, if you will, out in the Atlantic. It will be recurving well before Bermuda, well before the United States, basically a fish storm. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Upper low is on the way out near Cape Cod. Ridging beginning to build in the wake of that. And we should warm up a little more. Highs around 80 tomorrow, maybe upper 70s. Gorgeous day. Wednesday, we're talking low 80s. Both the GFS and the NAM are at 83 with bright sunny weather. Thursday, same deal. Low 80s. Friday, as we kick off the weekend, evidence of maybe a little wedge type thing here. You got a surface high near Cape Cod. That's a 1,032 millibar high, and maybe a little easterly flow will bring in a few scattered clouds and keep temperatures somewhat cooler. Highs backing perhaps down just a smidgen, but again, that's kind of iffy. And there's Saturday starting off the weekend. The trough is out west. A big upper high is north of us, blocking the trough, and accordingly, the weather stays nice. Mostly sunny and pleasant. The GFS is showing 79 on Saturday, and the exact same thing on Sunday. So for the weekend, highs around 80, lows in the 50s, partly to mostly sunny. No worries with rain. And a week from today, still looks dry, and a little moisture trying to feed in from the south. But again, for now, rain just looks very unlikely. We'll go out there a few more days to October 16th. That's an interesting upper low that's across the deep south. Some evidence of a broad surface low over the eastern Gulf. And at the end of the forecast, that broad surface low moves across Florida into the Atlantic. We stay dry, and again, things are looking pretty quiet on this run. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.